So this is my second or third day in Cairns. So you see there's like no people walking on the pedestrian sidewalk. It's really a few people. Right now it's 9:30, but a lot of stores there seem closed. And I'm going to the dive shop right now to set up my dive later on. That's probably a new of the view, street view in Cairns. Nothing much is going on. Yo guys, so here's the cabinet that you're gonna stay in as a volunteer or a hostie when you're doing work for exchange for free dive and accommodation and food. And on Ocean Quest, this boat, so that's the name of this boat. So here you can see up and down, that's like 6. Today I got 6 hours of sleep last night, so it definitely it's not enough, and I have to wake up at like 6:30 or 6 o'clock ish and to go to the dive shop to report them, to tell them that I'm there, and then 7 o'clock we head to the port. And what they do is they transfer us like to a transfer boat, and we work on that for like during daytime or have a day, and then transfer us finally to this main big boat, which is Ocean Quest. And I've done 3 dives today, and they were asking me, hey, do I want to do a night dive seeing shark? I mean, that sounds awesome, but I've been working all day. I'm pretty pooped right now, tired. A lot of the main thing I'm doing is washing dishes, drying dishes, washing dishes, drying dishes, in and out of the dishwasher. And that's pretty much it. And that's my first day. It's tiresome, but I do think it's kind of worth it. I think so. Yeah, consider it if you pay the price to stay here. Yeah. See you next time. See you guys next time. Hello guys, so right now I'm already back to the hostel for 2 days already, 2 days 1 night from the boat, because at the end I got sick, so I couldn't continue. They don't want sick people on the boat, so I only worked there for 3 nights 4 days, a little bit more than 3 days, because on the 4th day I started to feel sick, and well, actually the 3rd day I already started to feel weak and fatigue, but on the 4th day my symptom really came out, like sore throat and changing of my voice, so I couldn't continue to volunteer on the board. That's just so sad, because but eventually I got 8 dives done, including 1 night dives, and you can still hear me now. My voice is still weird. But anyway, overall I wasn't satisfied with the underwater visibility of Great Barrier Reef, because it was not as what I expected. I was a little bit disappointed. The underwater visibility was pretty low and not good. But anyway, I saw many good size fishes and a lot of healthy coral and variety. So overall, yeah, I just missed my best luck, which is my first dive. It was the most amazing dive that I've done during this 8 dive, and I happened not having my GoPro at the time. So I mean, what else to say? I mean, freak out, and that was my best dive, and I did not have my GoPro. And yeah, so I cannot show you how great the first dive is. And as for the review, or
as for the review or how I think working on the ship on the boat as a volunteer, as a hostie on Ocean Quest, it's very tiresome for me. I mean, because I have my period. My God, the second day I arrive on the boat, I have my period, and that's when I feel starting to feel really fatigued, and plus that night I didn't wash my hair. I slept with my hair wet, and so the next day I feel ill immediately. Well, because all the work I've been doing, and I was just so glad that I was be able to get out of there. And so I recommended you, if you want to work as a hostie, it's definitely worth it because you can dive Great Barrier for free. If you want to work as a hostie on Ocean Quest for divers staying, I recommend you work 4 nights, 5 days. Yeah, don't do it. Don't do it as what I planned. I planned to work on 5 days. Well, 4 nights, 5 days. That was my originally planned, and I want to work at 2 shifts, which means 10 days in total. So I ended up only worked 3 days, 3 nights, and I wish I could work more, but I'm just very crazy and mad about my body and my health condition. It's a very physical demanding job. The job including variety of things, washing dishes, carrying food, cleaning kitchen, taking care of the host, taking care of the customers, and room services, changing bed sheets and doing all that, and collecting trash. Yeah, my hands and my feet are sore every day. So that's my review of doing the hostie things. Maybe I'm too old for that, but I've never been trained. Doing this such kind of work, so I wasn't used to it. And of course, all of a sudden I was placed on to work this kind of job, and of course I did not get used to it. Hopefully in the future I can be able to come back and work for them again. Oh, and by the way, the work schedule was like before 7 o'clock in the morning we had to be arrived in the galley, start working. So it's around like maybe 6:45 we had to go to the galley and or the kitchen to start working. And there are some breaks in between, but each break only lasts, the longest break is like about 15 minutes, maybe 3 breaks in between, and 15 minutes for meal, 3 meals a day. So that makes up like maybe less than 2 hours of rest per day. And like I said, you started from 6:45 in the morning and you finished usually at 9 o'clock. Sometimes you can finish before 9, but sometimes you finish after 9. So that's like how many hours per day? Including diving though. So each dive, it's about, each dive including changing your clothes and putting on gear, each dive is about an hour. So, and if you dive 3 times a day, that's 3 hours. So 3 hours plus 3 hours plus 1.5 hours of rest every day. That's 4.5 hours. So you can calculate that from 6:45 to 9 o'clock at night. And that's how many hours? 9, wow. Yeah, 9 plus 6, 15. 15 minus, that's 10. So that makes it at least 10 hours of straight, 10 hours straight working every day, 10 hours work. I found it a bit too much, but that's the price you have to pay if you want to dive Great Barrier Reef for free. Yeah.